what if I told you that the future of performance driving doesn't cost six figures anymore? What if I told you that for under $60,000, you could get an SUV that outruns some supercars, feels sharper than ever, and still carries the practicality of a family hauler? Sounds impossible, right? But it isn't. Tesla has just rewritten the rulebook with the 2026 Tesla Model Y Performance. This isn't just another refresh, it isn't a minor update. This is Tesla throwing down the gauntlet to every automaker on the planet. Because this time, they're not just giving us more speed, they're giving us an all-around performance machine that blends brute force with everyday usability at a price that undercuts nearly everything in its class. Let's start with the stat that everyone is talking about. 0 to 60 in just 3.3 seconds. 3.3 for an SUV. To put that into context, the 2020 Model Y Performance managed 3.6 seconds. Already insane, already quicker than most cars on the road, but Tesla wasn't satisfied. They trimmed down those tenths of a second, bringing supercar-level acceleration into the hands of everyday drivers. And it's not just straight-line bragging rights. Tesla has capped the top speed at 155 miles per hour, which puts it in the same conversation as performance sedans and high-end sports coupes. You're not just driving an SUV, you're piloting a machine that delivers heart-pounding thrills every time you hit the accelerator. But here's the thing, Tesla didn't achieve this with brute force alone. They went deeper. They refined the handling. The 2026 Model Y Performance borrows its suspension setup directly from the Model 3 Performance. That's a big deal. The Model 3 Performance has long been praised for its sharp, planted driving dynamics, and now those upgrades find their way into the Model Y. The result? An SUV that feels tighter, more agile, and far more capable in the corners. Add to that a staggered track width, which widens the stance and improves stability. Suddenly, this isn't just a family-friendly EV, it's a driver's car, an SUV you actually want to push through winding roads, not just cruise along in. And then there are the wheels, the massive 21-inch arachnid wheels. These aren't just for looks, though they do make the Model Y Performance look like a beast. They're designed for grip, for stability, for keeping you connected to the asphalt when you unleash all that torque. They scream performance and they back it up with real engineering. Of course, speed and handling always come with trade-offs. In this case, it's range. The EPA estimated range for the Model Y Performance is 308 miles. That's down from the 327 miles in the long-range all-wheel drive and the 357 miles in the long-range rear-wheel drive. But let's be honest, 308 miles is still more than enough for the vast majority of drivers. Your daily commute? Covered. Weekend road trips? Easy. And with Tesla's charging network, range anxiety becomes less of a concern. Speaking of charging, let's talk Tesla's supercharger network. It's still the best in the business. Over 50,000 chargers worldwide, including the newest V4 ultra-fast chargers, means you're never far from a reliable fast charge. And while other automakers are scrambling to build out infrastructure, Tesla drivers already enjoy a seamless charging experience that rivals just can't match. Now let's talk about the inside. Tesla hasn't reinvented the wheel here, they didn't need to. The interior remains minimalist yet futuristic, with the massive central touchscreen at its core. You still get over-the-air updates, meaning your SUV improves over time. You still get advanced driver assistance features through autopilot. And you still get Tesla's signature cabin design that strips away clutter in favor of sleek efficiency. But don't mistake minimalist for boring. The Model Y Performance interior is a space designed for comfort and control. Whether you're navigating through traffic or blasting down an open highway, the cabin feels like a cockpit. Simple, focused, and purposeful. And all of this, the acceleration, the suspension, the wheels, the tech, comes at a starting price under $60,000. That's the part that blows everything else out of the water. In a world where performance SUVs can easily cost $80K, $90K, even $100K or more, Tesla has delivered a machine that competes with the best of them for a fraction of the price. But wait, it gets better. Tesla has confirmed that earliest US deliveries are expected in December 2025. That means if you're quick, you could be behind the wheel of one of the first 2026 Model Y Performances before the year even ends. So here's the question. What does this all mean? What does it mean for Tesla, for EVs, for performance SUVs, and for the future of driving? Well, it means Tesla isn't slowing down. They're accelerating, literally and figuratively. They're proving once again that electric vehicles aren't just eco-friendly alternatives, they're superior machines. And the Model Y Performance is living proof. But this story is far from over. In part 2, we'll dive even deeper. We'll compare the 2026 Model Y Performance with its biggest rivals. We'll analyze Tesla's strategy behind this bold pricing, and we'll explore why this SUV could very well become the benchmark for the entire EV market. Stay tuned. Welcome back. We've already seen what makes the 2026 Model Y performance so jaw-dropping on paper. The numbers are thrilling: 3.3 seconds to 60, 155 mph top speed, a suspension tuned for sharper handling, and a price that undercuts nearly everything in its class. But now, let's zoom out and see where this SUV truly stands in the bigger picture. Because make no mistake, the Model Y performance doesn't just exist as a product. It exists as a statement. And right now, that statement is shaking up the entire performance EV market. The rivalry showdown. The EV SUV market is heating up, and Tesla knows it. Every major automaker is gunning for a piece of this pie, and the Model Y performance lands right in the middle of the battlefield. Let's start with perhaps the most obvious rival, the Ford Mustang Mach-E GT. Ford made waves by attaching the legendary Mustang name to an EV. The Mach-E GT is quick, stylish, and loaded with tech. But here's the issue. Its range lags behind Tesla's, and while it charges reasonably fast, Ford's charging ecosystem can't match Tesla's supercharger dominance. Real-world usability matters, and that's where Tesla pulls ahead. Next, the Kia EV6 GT, a car that genuinely shocked the industry when it launched. With jaw-dropping acceleration, futuristic design, and plenty of character, the EV6 GT is no joke. But here's the difference. Tesla's package feels more complete. OTA updates that improve the car long after purchase, stronger resale value, and a brand identity that screams innovation. Kia is an exciting challenger, but Tesla is still the benchmark. And then we have the Hyundai Ioniq N5, Hyundai's first true performance EV, aimed squarely at enthusiasts. It's packed with track-focused upgrades, simulated gear shifts for driving fun, and unique features that make it a driver's delight. But while Hyundai is experimenting, Tesla has already perfected. The Ioniq N5 is a wild card, but the Model Y performance is a proven contender with a decade of Tesla engineering behind it. What about luxury rivals? The Porsche Taycan Cross Turismo, BMW iX Mach-60, and Audi e-tron S. All incredible machines with power, prestige, and premium touches, but all come with six-figure price tags. And this is where Tesla's genius really shows. For less than $60,000, the Model Y performance offers acceleration numbers close to these European giants. It might not have the same badge cachet, but it delivers real-world thrills at half the price. For most buyers, that's game over. Tesla's strategy: price as a weapon. So why does this all matter? Because Tesla is doing something no one else dares to do, making high-performance EVs affordable. For decades, performance was a luxury, reserved for those willing to spend $80K, $100K, even $200K or more on sports cars or super SUVs. Tesla shattered that model. By putting the Model Y performance under $60,000, they're democratizing speed. They're proving that supercar-level acceleration doesn't have to come with a supercar price tag. This strategy also pressures competitors. If Ford, Hyundai, or Kia want to compete, they'll have to either lower their prices or offer more value. That's a win-win for consumers, and it shows why Tesla still leads the EV pack, not just through technology, but through bold business moves. Beyond specs, the ownership experience. But here's what a lot of car reviews miss. The Tesla experience goes beyond numbers. It's not just about acceleration, range, or wheel size. It's about living with the car every day. Tesla owners enjoy a level of convenience that few other rivals can match. The supercharger network remains unmatched, offering reliability and speed across thousands of stations worldwide. That's a safety net no competitor has fully replicated yet. Then there's software. Tesla's over-the-air updates continuously add new features, improve performance, and refine efficiency. Owning a Model Y performance means owning a car that evolves with you. One day you wake up and your SUV might be faster or smarter or more efficient without ever visiting a dealership. That's revolutionary. Tesla's minimalist cabin design also plays a role. Some love it, some criticize it, but few deny it feels futuristic. A massive central touchscreen handles nearly everything, reducing clutter and making the car feel like a rolling piece of tech. And let's not forget driver assistance. Autopilot and full self-driving capabilities, while still evolving, remain ahead of most rivals. It's not just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of mobility. The emotional factor. Cars are not just machines, they're emotional, and Tesla knows this better than anyone. The Model Y performance isn't just about numbers, it's about how it makes you feel. Press the accelerator and you're launched forward with instant torque. Glide silently down the road and you feel the smoothness of electric power. Step back and look at it, and you know you're driving something that represents innovation, progress, and status. This emotional factor matters. People don't just buy Teslas because they're efficient. They buy them because they feel like part of a movement. They buy into the identity of driving the future today. why December 2025 matters. Tesla has timed this launch perfectly. By scheduling earliest US deliveries for December 2025, they're positioning the Model Y Performance as the car to close out the year. The timing creates excitement during the holidays, captures year-end buyers, and sets the tone for 2026. It's not just a product launch, it's a strategic move to dominate headlines and consumer attention right when people are ready to spend. The bigger picture. So what does this all mean? It means Tesla isn't just competing, they're leading. They're showing that EVs can be faster, sharper, and more affordable than traditional cars. They're setting new benchmarks that rivals have to chase. And they're doing it with confidence. The 2026 Model Y Performance proves one thing beyond doubt. Tesla isn't slowing down. If anything, they're accelerating into the future at full speed.